Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you our plans for the 4th of July celebration in Virginia Beach, 2025. Get ready for an unforgettable night of fireworks on the water, a standing ovation for our country, and a heartwarming reminder of the unity that brings us together. So, let's dive in and make this Independence Day one to remember. The 4th of July is a time for celebration, and what better way to celebrate than with a stunning fireworks display on the water? Virginia Beach is known for its beautiful coastline, and we're going to take full advantage of it. Our fireworks show will be set against the backdrop of the Atlantic Ocean, creating a breathtaking visual experience that you won't want to miss. But that's not all. We're also planning a special tribute to our country with a standing ovation for the song "United We Stand." This powerful song is a reminder of the strength and unity that binds us together as Americans. It's a perfect way to honor our nation and the values that we hold dear. And what's a 4th of July celebration without a gathering of friends and family? We're inviting everyone to join us at the beach for this special day, to celebrate our independence and the bonds that bring us together. It's a day to remember, a day to cherish, and a day to be proud of. So, mark your calendars for July 4th, 2025, and join us in Virginia Beach for a night of fireworks, a standing ovation for our country, and a heartwarming reminder of the unity that makes us strong. We can't wait to see you there. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on all our latest plans and events, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We'll see you again soon for more exciting updates and celebrations. Until then, happy 4th of July, and remember, united we stand.
like 15, 20 minutes. But look at the moon. Something going on. They distract us every year this time.
Virginia for lovers.
At the beach, we all fam.